I'm just going to quickly show you what's running here. This is the AgentProof Recruiter. It went live on Railway on March the 18th, and as you can see, the health check returns green. So this is not a sandbox production, this is a real live agent. The agent is live. I'm just going to show you that it's also discoverable. This is the agent to agent card. Any agent that speaks the agent to agent protocol can find this endpoint, read its capabilities, and know how to interact with it. It announced itself to the network. That's not something we built, it's just a standard. We just implemented it correctly. So now we're going to give the agent a task, and I'm going to ask it to find me a DeFi agent to analyze yield on base. This is a real task with real parameters, and we'll just wait for it to respond. Okay, so we can see here that it found 6 potential agents to do the task. It went out and discovered them from the registry and pulled their profiles, and then it ran every single one of them through the AgentProof Trust Oracle, which returns reputation scores, risk tier classification, using a full 9-signal composite score. And we can also see that it rejected all 6 of them. Every candidate flagged as high risk, and the recruiter refused to make a hire that it couldn't stand behind. That's not a bug, that's the system working exactly as it's designed. It had a non-empty result set, but it just has standards. There's a meaningful difference between no agents found and no agents trusted. Most systems can't tell the difference. AgentProof Recruiter can tell the difference. Everything it did is logged here. There are 18 entries. You can trace every single step. That means the discovery call, the individual risk checks, and the rejection reasons. This is a full audit trail of an autonomous agent decision making. If this recruiter ever gets asked, why didn't you hire anyone? The answer is right here, on chain and verifiable, time stamped. That matters for compliance, that matters for liability, that matters for anyone who needs to know an AI agent didn't just rubber stamp a bad hire. Self is registered on chain. This is the ERC8004 self-registration transaction on base. The recruiter agent wrote its own reputation entry to the chain. It's not just using the Oracle, it's in the Oracle. And that's what we mean when we say the reference implementation. We didn't wrap someone else's trust layer, we built the layer and we run on top of it. Other agent directories index capabilities. Some index trust scores. We're the first to combine both into a recruiter that actually gates on trust at the point of hire. The gate works. You just watched it refuse 6 agents. That's not a demo telling you about safety, that's safety shown live.